let's have some fun with funnel. Hi guys, Olga Sobi here, and today I'm gonna be doing a traveling funnel technique. Actually, it's going to be double traveling funnel on the color split base. And a traveling funnel technique is the one that really allows you to create a beautiful flow in your pour, yet leave some negative space. And I would say it gives you a lot of control over the composition. So this is what I really like about it. And if you want to see more different versions and layouts for this technique, I have put a playlist together for you, so definitely check it out. Also, for all of my colors today, they are mixed to very fluid consistency with pouring medium and water. This is not my regular Floetrol and water mixture that I normally use for funnel technique. So let's see how that's gonna work. And also I have a pretty exciting announcement to make. Right now we are offering $15 off our acrylic pouring A to Z course. This is a very comprehensive course that we created together, myself, Rinska Dauna, and Molly from Molly's Artistry channel. And there we take you all the way from supplies, paint mixing, consistency, troubleshooting, color theory, techniques, and all the way how to finish your painting and get it ready for sale. And there is so much more there. So if you really want to dive deep into different aspects of acrylic pouring, definitely check it out. So this is the website, smartartcourses.com, and don't forget to use a coupon SMARTJUNE15 to get $15 off your purchase. Let's get started with today's funnel pour. For my colors, here I have some iridescent gold, violet, and this is a beautiful color, iridescent red blue. So it changes the shade when it's dry depending on the angle of light. And these two will be colors of my base. So I want to have my white in the center, and this color will be on these corners here. So this color is a mix. For this color I have mixed some Mars Black, some Phthalo Blue, and some of this violet color. Torching helps to pop those air bubbles that are in the paint from mixing. You don't have to torch, but it's definitely very beneficial. Okay, the base is done. So I'm gonna do the first travel. So which one? Yeah, let's start. Change the order a little bit. We're gonna start with red, then gold, and that violet. Those two are pretty tricky to put next to each other. I think I'm actually gonna be adding red blue between my gold and violet, because those are complementary, and if they're overmixed they can create some mud. Okay guys, this is so funny. So I was wondering, why am I keep adding the colors? And my funnel is still not full, because probably I wasn't keeping it flat to the surface, and my hand was covering in this area and I didn't see that I'm losing everything. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna go with the flow. I kind of like the rings it created, so okay, pay more attention next time, right? But right now I will just keep all this paint, and this is plenty of paint, honestly. This looks kind of cool though. It created those rings. This looks really cool, isn't it? Well, you guys, sometimes that happens, that's okay. Just need to learn to improvise and really go with the flow. Okay, so I have just plenty of paint on my panel. I'm gonna have to tilt some off, otherwise it's just not gonna dry well. So next, I want to blow out some of the design. So I really love the colors, but at the same time, I'm just not too happy with the design. Too much paint was really hard for me to manipulate. So I want to just blow it out from the here out. Keep this white river, I really love it here. So I just want to work with these areas a little more. Alright guys, I'm finally ready to stop. I have changed the plan like 2 times, 3 times as I was going, and I can't wait to see how this beauty dries. Improvise, adapt, overcome. This is exactly what happened for this poor painting. No, seriously guys, it went so different from what I initially planned it, and I am so glad that it did because I just totally love it. And honestly, I wasn't like 100% sure about it when I just finished it and it was still wet, but when it dried and the colors became darker and deeper and those metallics and iridescent colors really popped, this looks now absolutely gorgeous. So this is my Golden Flame and White River. What do you think? Does it make a good name for it? And also notice that I have not so many cells, especially in my blown section. So this is what happens when you have pouring medium in your mixture, because when I work just with paint and water for my Dutch pour technique, I get a lot more cells in the blown sections. But having that pouring medium gives a little bit more transparency and less cells. So of course there is no right or wrong, this is just really the effect you're trying to achieve. And as you might have guessed, I have covered this beauty with the epoxy resin. It's all bright and shiny now. And to answer your question about tape, I get this question a lot. So I tape my sides of the cradled wood panel before the pour, and I remove it only after I apply the resin. So this is like the very last step that I do to finish up the painting. So guys, I love to plan my pours, to plan my colors, composition, technique of course, but sometimes it just doesn't work this way. And you really have to let your creativity guide you when you're in that process. And I think this is the beauty of fluid art, that it really requires you to be present and really just go with the flow. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed the process, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and stay creative. Bye bye!